In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Replit Agent in 2025 tutorial. First, head to the Replit homepage. From here, click the highlighted button to start a new project. You'll see a selection of project types. Open the web app option to get a feel for what a client-facing site could look like. Then check mobile app if you want to target on-the-go users. Take a look at data app for analytics dashboards and internal tools, and even peek at 3D game to understand interactive experiences. Next, move to agents and automations, which is where the money-making leverage really lives. Choose the general template to keep things flexible. Give your project a clear descriptive name so it's easy to pitch later, then hit start. Inside the workspace, use the agent chat to create your app. Tell the agent what you need in plain language, like a simple booking site, a lead capture landing page, or a small inventory tracker, and let it scaffold the code. Click Build to generate the initial version. Before you rush ahead, open. Ask questions, plan your work to tighten the scope, and capture requirements. This is especially important if you're building for a client, because it keeps estimates and expectations realistic. Now switch to Make, Test, Iterate. Run the app, try typical user flows, fix what breaks, and loop until it feels reliable and fast. When you're ready, click Publish. Use the highlighted fields to add a concise description and choose visibility. If you see an option to claim a free domain credit, up to a set amount, grab it to give your project a clean, professional URL. Finally, confirm Publish to push your app live. Now, let's turn this into income. Sell custom solutions to businesses by packaging small, fast wins, a contact portal, appointment scheduling, or workflow automations. Develop and flip websites or apps by polishing them, adding clear documentation, and reselling to someone who needs a ready-made asset. Offer niche AI-powered services, such as inbox triage, report generation, or data enrichment, powered by your agent-backed automations. And create templates and starter kits that others can remix, giving you a scalable product with minimal support. A quick tip: keep versions of each deliverable, write a short README so clients can maintain their app, and price based on outcomes, not just hours. With this workflow, you can go from idea to shipped product quickly, and you'll have a repeatable system for landing your first